So, hi everyone, I'm Mabel Joy Tiswelto. So, my topic is all about the pharmacology of gastrointestinal system, just a review of the anatomy of GI. First, the gastrointestinal or GI system consists of the GI tract and the accessory exocrine glands. The GI tract includes the mouth, this esophagus, the stomach, the small intestine, and the large intestine. B. The major accessory glands are the salivary glands, the liver, the gallbladder, and the pancreas. The GI system is traditionally two functions: A. Assimilation of nutrients, B. Excretion of waste products with the biliary system. Assimilation of nutrients is the process of absorption of vitamins, minerals, and other chemicals from food as part of the nutrition of an organism. In humans, it is always done with a chemical breakdown like enzymes and acids, and a physical breakdown like oral mastication and stomach churning. B. Excretion of waste products via the biliary system is a general term referring to the separation and throwing off of waste materials or toxic substances from the cells and tissues of a plant or animals. The separation, elaboration, and elimination of certain products arising from cellular functions in multicellular organism is called secretion. 3. Mucosal immunology is a third major function of the GI system. A. The GI system is the largest immunological compartment in the body, reflecting the need to protect against microbial pathogens but also allow immunological tolerance to antigenic substances in the diet. B. The mucosa-associated lymphoid tissue or MALT are the lymphoid aggregates in the intestine known as Peyer's patches. First, specialized cells in the overlaying epithelium called microfold or M cells take up antigens from the lumen. Second, Peyer's patches contain T and B lymphocytes. Third, CD4 T cells recognize extracellular antigens, for example, pathogenic microorganisms. Fourth, CD8 T cells recognize intracellular antigens, for example, tumors and viruses. 5. B cells in malt mostly secrete immunoglobulin A. 4. Assimilation of nutrients from food occurs in the following sequence. A. Chewing or mastication breaks food down to create a bolus for swallowing. Saliva lubricates food and provides enzymes for digestion. It takes about 10 seconds for swallowed food to travel down the esophagus to the stomach. B. Food remains in the stomach for 1 to 4 hours. Stomach motility mixes and grinds food into small particles suitable for delivery to the small intestine via the pyloric sphincter. Exocrine secretions from the stomach mucosa help to dilute and dissolve food. Gastric acid assists in dissolving and denaturing the components of food. C. Entry of food into the small intestine is coordinated with the delivery of major exocrine secretions from the biliary system and the pancreas. First, pancreatic enzymes are essential for digestion. The pancreas also secretes HCO3, which neutralizes acid from the stomach. Second, constructions of the gallbladder deliver stored bile to the intestine. Bile acids are the major organic component of bile and important for lipid assimilation. D. Food moves through the small intestine within 7 to 10 hours. Motility patterns in the fed state mix food with digestive enzymes and distribute nutrients over the absorptive surface. All significant absorption of nutrients occurs in the small intestine. E. Transit through the large intestine from the cecum to the sigmoid colon. usually occurs over a period of 12 to 24 hours. First, functions include fluid and electrolyte transport and fermentation of undigested carbohydrates, for example, cellulose. Second, storage of fecal waste occurs in the distal large intestine. Elimination of fecal waste typically occurs within 1 to 3 days after indigestion of a meal. So here's the overview of GI tract functions. Mouth is to bite, to chew, and to swallow. Pharynx and esophagus is to transport. Stomach mechanical disruption, absorption of water and alcohol. Small intestine chemical and mechanical digestion and absorption. Large intestine is to absorb electrolytes and vitamins like B and K. Rectum and anus defecation. So defecation is a movement of feces, undigested food, bacteria, mucus, and cells from the lining of the intestines through the bowel and out of the anus, also called bowel movement.